guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our topic for today is about Raspberry Pi light sensor using a simple light dependent resistor. Before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be updated every time I post new videos. What is light dependent resistor? Light dependent resistors, LDRs or photoresistors are often used in circuits where it is necessary to detect the presence or the level of light. These resistors are used as light sensors, and the applications of LDR mainly include alarm locks, street lights, light intensity meters, burglar alarm circuits. The materials that we're going to use for this activity: Raspberry Pi 3, T-coupler, breadboard, LED, jumper wire, capacitor, and the LDR. First, we're going to insert the T-coupler from GPIO pins into the breadboard. Second, we're going to insert the light-dependent resistor into the breadboard. Third, we're going to insert the capacitor into the breadboard. Fourth, we're going to use black jumper wire to connect from ground into the negative side of breadboard. Next, we're going to use yellow jumper wire to connect from 3.3 volts into positive side of breadboard, and another yellow jumper wire to connect from positive into light dependent resistor. Now, we're going to use a red jumper wire to connect from GPIO pin number 4 into the light-dependent resistor and the capacitor. We are now going to insert the LED. Next, we're going to use a black jumper wire to connect into the negative terminal of LED. And finally, we're going to use a red jumper wire to connect from GPIO 17 into the positive terminal of LED. This is the final result of connecting all the materials. Next is the code. This is the resistance of light-dependent resistor. It changes whenever it's exposed to light or when it's dark. When the light-dependent resistor detects light, the resistance will decrease, so the LED will turn off. And when it's dark, the resistance will increase and the LED will turn on. That's all for today's topic. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!